Hi guys! Are you using a cracked version of Adobe? Are you facing issues with work file crashes? Don't worry. In this video, we are going to see how to get a free Adobe Creative Cloud account. You can easily install all Adobe software through Creative Cloud. This will help you avoid work file crashes while you're using Adobe software. I'm going to guide you through 2 simple steps, so stick around and hit subscribe to get more useful videos. Let's get started. To get a free Creative Cloud account, the first step is to sign up. Search for Creative Cloud in your browser. Click on the first result. Select For Business. Now, we are going to sign up for a free 14-day trial with no credit card option. Towards the end of the video, I'll guide you on how to extend the trial period. Just click on Free Trial. Now, fill in the blanks to sign up. Click Continue. Once you're done, you'll be automatically redirected to the login page. Enter your password to create your own account. Yes, we have successfully signed up for the Adobe Creative Cloud account. The second step is to download Creative Cloud. Search for Download Creative Cloud Desktop app in your browser. Click on Download Creative Cloud. Once it's downloaded, click here to install. Yes, we've installed it. If you want to install any Adobe apps, simply go to Apps. For example, if you want to install Photoshop, click on Install. Once installed, click on Open.
Hi, I'm Anna McNaught. Let me show you how to go from this starting image to this final result in just a few steps. Let's get started.
Yes, we've successfully completed it. That's it, guys. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.